So here's the bamboo right here on the porch. Couch right there. There's jasmine, also I think TV. And then we have the covers taken off. Wasps on this rope for some reason because they just love it. So then those are roses right there, same plants. And then over here you have these. We're going to get some couch cushions for those right there. Wooden chairs, hose. We have this little area over here. Let me cut and show you. So we have, don't mind the mowing. So we have the roses right here climbing up on this archway. So then it's like and then we have peonies. That one has bloomed right there. And pile, so not going over there. And peonies, roses, lots of roses.